In this video, I'm gonna share 3 amazing Python list tricks that is going to enhance your knowledge and make your coding more efficient. So let's get started. So if you want to add one list to the other list in Python, then there's a simple way to do that. You can use the extend function, and here I want to add the element of list B to the list A. Then I can just use the extend function by writing a dot extend B, and that's it. Let's print the first list and see the result. And as you can see, we have successfully added the list in this list. Let's move on to the next step. So we just saw how to add one list to the other list. And what if you want to add a single element to the list? Then you can use the append function, and it's written as a dot append. And suppose I want to add 6 here. That's it. Now the 6 will automatically be added to the last index of this list. Let's print the list and see the results. And as you can see, 6 is successfully added. Let's move on to the next step. So this step is very much important in list manipulation. Let me erase 3 here. And now here I want to add 3 at the second index. Then how will you do that? Well, there's a simple way. Python have a built-in function called insert, which takes two parameters, index and the element you want to add. So I want to add 3 at the second index, which will come between 2 and 4. So the index is 2 and the element is 3. That's it. Let's print the list and see the results. And as you can see, 3 is successfully added between this list.